So starting the test drive in this Sierra 3500 HD Denali Ultimate, it's comfortable, but it's still a dually, right? So there's not really anything you can do about that. It's still relatively shaky, let me put it that way, in terms of how it travels down the road. And I shouldn't say shaky, but you know, it's bouncy. It's a heavy-duty truck. You have the heavy-duty leaf springs, the heavy-duty suspension in general, so it's not going to float down the road like a Cadillac, but it does make it a bit more comfortable when you have these full grain leather seats, very adjustable, massage function and all of that. But if you're used to driving heavy-duty trucks, you're not going to be surprised with this at all. Gonna give it a quick pull here. Here we go. Yeah, it got up to speed real quick. Now what was funny is in the heads-up display it said low traction when it first started spinning coming down the ramp, and you know, it's just the little things like that that really just make the experience that much cooler. But I want to give a huge thanks once again to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Honestly, as it gets up to speed, I mean, sound acoustics in here are pretty good. Not really heavy road noise. It's very tame in here. And I don't know if that has more to do with this being a Denali Ultimate, or if these 3500s just feel that much quieter in here because GMC has refined them so well. But I'm gonna say a Pro 3500 is not gonna sound as good in the interior as this Denali Ultimate, but that's just my opinion. Don't know it for a fact, but now in terms of what you get for the money, I mean, this is $108,000. It's not like this is a bargain, but when you consider all that this has in terms of the amenities, the tow capacity, all that's included here, I mean, it's not a terrible price for a dually 3500 truck. What are your other options? You either go with a Ford, you go with a Ram, that's about it. So I mean, I think it's about what and what with everything else out on the market right now. I will say, I think the Denali Ultimate interior, and you know, I like the King Ranches in the Fords, I like the Longhorn Laramies in the Ram, but I just like this Denali Ultimate interior best. And I think it's because I don't feel like GM was trying too hard with this. They kind of stuck the screen in there that you get in an SLT 1500. You get the digital display that you get in pretty much every other Sierra. But the important stuff was taken care of. So having this beautiful cowhide interior is, you know, what's important to me. Having the nice trim, the nice stitching and all that, that's what I care about. Now, whether you have a panoramic roof or a, you know, a single panel sunroof, I don't really care. Blind spot monitors are a must. Adaptive cruise control is a must, and that's pretty much, again, what and what with the competition. It's just one of those things where a Denali nameplate is there. The looks of the Sierra heavy duties on the outside, I think, is the best look. And yeah, I just think it's a nice truck inside and out. Now, if I ever had any use for pulling anywhere close to 31,000 pounds, I'd love to do it in something like this. But if you are someone who, you know, runs a business or does a lot of, like, you got to pull heavy machinery or whatever, this is a good way to do it in style. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Ultimate.